Hello everyone, Von Marie here, and thank you for joining me on the Kat Scrappiness YouTube channel today. So let's make a card using this really adorable die set, the Kissing Booth. We are also using a stencil for our background, which is a layering stencil, and it is the Love Blooms, and you get 2 stencils, so really fun. And then I did cut out my Kissing Booth with craft and dark brown cardstock, and then I am using the Love Doodles paper pack. It's a 6x6 paper pack, and it is really nice pattern paper, really nice quality. And I'm going to cut my rectangle out with that one. And then I liked that I was able to use my small die cutting machine for a few of these dies from the Kissing Booth. They were small enough, so it made it really easy to put this card together. And I cut out this triangle banner with brown cardstock, and I will be layering it with some pattern paper here, this pink pattern paper from, again, the Love Doodles Gold. And then I will cut it out of this pattern paper, and then I will also cut it out of gold glitter paper. So I love that you can cut out these triangles really easily, and you can put any color you want, and this booth would be really cute, not just for Valentine's Day, but how about if your quokka was selling coffee, or let me see, he could be selling anything. It would be really cute. But I am using a quokka in my card today, and I thought, I don't know, I just fall in love with all these quokkas. They're so cute. I was thinking I need to use the crafting quokka sets because that would be really cute too. So I'm using a scrap of gold glitter paper, and this was from the Christmas paper pack, and I just had a little piece, and it was perfect for me to do pink pattern paper and gold pattern paper. So I love it, the faux gold there. And this glitter paper has been a game changer for me because that's all I want to use is the faux glitter, because it's so easy and doesn't leave a mess. So make sure and check out, there is my banner there. Go ahead, make sure and check out all the faux glitter paper packs. I love them. And so here is the Kisses die, and I love that you can insert different colored letters. You can also leave it as is, like I'm going to, and it does come with another die for the back side there, and I have it out of craft. And I love that there's hearts. This set also has like 4 hearts, so I love that you can cut out multiple hearts at a time. So that is perfect. I always love when you can cut multiple dies, and they're small enough again to fit in my small die cutting machine. So here it is, and so that was out of the Love Doodles Gold, and then so those are my pieces. And I will put all the pieces in my tray there, my triangle tray, and this is the blue one. And then I also use another triangle tray to put my small pieces in so I don't lose them, and I think that looks really nice. And so I am using some Distress ink, and I'm using my gold glitter blending brush, and I'm just adding a little bit of ink on my booth here, and I love the way it looks. And then here is my quokka from the Everyday Quokka set, and I'm using my alcohol markers. I did stamp and heat emboss him, and I'm just coloring him simply and with some dark brown markers. And I won't color all of him because I'm going to be cutting him anyways, because he won't fit all the way in the booth. So I love that, and it's really fun. You can try seeing what other animals or people you can put with the booth. So I think it's really neat. I think this booth would be really cute if you're selling lemonade or coffee. So a lot of things you can do with this craft die, not just for Valentine's Day. It'd be really cute too if this quokka, he's holding a cake. There's a slice of cake in this stamp set that I'm looking at for the Everyday Quokkas. And so if he had a cake, and that would be cute for a birthday. And so here I am cutting the bottom there. And I didn't even need to use my marker because you won't see that part, but I did anyways. And so I will just be putting my booth together with liquid glue and my pattern paper for the backing here, and then I will leave a little bit of so I can slip my quokka in. I was gonna glue it all the way, and then I realized I have to slip my quokka in. And there was just some pattern paper sticking out, and you'll see that I do cut it again because I didn't want the pattern paper sticking out. And there he is, really, really cute. I love him. And you can also have him holding a heart, or so many ideas. And so using my liquid glue, and I love the 25 cents too. That is really cute. And there is also a die that you could put on the back side also. But I forgot to use that for this card. But I think it looks really cute as is. And then I will put my banner, and then I will put my 25 cents and then my kisses. So really cute. I love all these pieces. And I like that the booth is like wood grain, so really nice, because you could probably cut all those pieces and use it for another card. And I love that the banner you can put diagonally, so I love this card. It's really cute. I should have made 2 at a time. And so after this, we're going to be using the stencil, the 2-piece layering stencil, and I'm using that same brown ink with my glitter brushes, and then for the leaves, and then I will use pink for the hearts. And I love this background. I think it's really, really pretty. And I will cut that out with a rectangle die. And I used white cardstock, and then my card base will also be white. So really pretty. And then I will glue my booth and embellishments, and I think that is it for this card. So it came out really cute and easy, and I really hope you grab this die set or any of the Valentine dies because they can be used all the time, so not just for Valentine's Day. And I'm just adding a few hearts here from my Twitter padded sprinkle mix, and that will be it. So I did add a heart there, and so I hope you like my card. I will have details down below, and you can also click on the product supply bar as well, and it will take you to Kat Scrappiness store. And last in heart. Thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.